OnePlus is launching its new N series phone, OnePlus N6. Phone will run on Android 16 operating system. It will be powered by MediaTek MT6835 chipset with a powerful octa-core CPU. Smartphone will be an AMOLED touchscreen display with 1.5K pixels resolution and 120Hz refresh rate. There will be a dual camera setup back on this amazing phone and has a 50 megapixel main camera, and front camera will be an 8 megapixel. RAM will be 12 GB and internal storage will be 256 and 512 GB. The battery will be a big one and that will be 8000 mAh with support for 45-watt fast charging. Smartphone will be under display optical fingerprint reader. The price is expected $212. That's all for now. Friends, subscribe my channel for more latest videos. Thanks.